Have you ever acted without thinking, just jumped in? That's Peter in today's gospel, John 21. He sees Jesus on the shore, and before anyone else can react, he dives right into the sea, clothes on, no hesitation. Why? Because for Peter, being close to Jesus was everything. Now Peter wasn't perfect, he was impulsive, sometimes even reckless. Remember, this is the same guy who denied knowing Jesus 3 times. But what I love is that Peter didn't let his shame or his past keep him away. When he realized it was Jesus, he just had to get to him right now, no matter what. I think that's powerful. Peter's relationship with Jesus was so real, so magnetic, that it drew him past his guilt and right into the water. Honestly, I believe we all have that same longing deep down, to be close to the Lord even when we feel unworthy, even when we mess up. So the next time you feel that tug in your heart, that urge to turn toward Jesus, don't ignore it. Drop what you're doing if you can, and let yourself run to him. Because every time you do, you'll find more freedom, more joy, just like Peter did on that beach. Lord, help me to hear your call today, and to jump in with all my heart.